In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number associated with your Gmail or Google account. This process is straightforward, and by following these instructions carefully, you'll be done in no time. Whether you've recently changed your number or are simply updating your security preferences, ensuring your account information is up to date is essential for maintaining access and security. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to the Google account page. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in using your email and password. This will bring up your main Google account dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your account settings. Once you're on your main Google account page, look for the section labeled Personal Info. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your contact details. Click this section to continue. Within the Personal Info tab, you'll find various options related to your profile. Look for the Contact Info heading. Under this heading, you'll see the current phone number associated with your account. Click on your phone number to edit it. You may be prompted to verify your identity at this stage. Google takes security seriously, so you might need to enter your account password again to proceed. It's a precaution to ensure that you're the one making changes to your personal information. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to access the phone number section. You'll see the option to update or change your existing phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. Mistakes here can prevent you from accessing your account later if verification is needed. After entering your new number, save your changes. Google may send a verification code to the new number you've entered. When you receive this code, enter it in the appropriate field on your Google account page and verify the number. It's also good to double-check that your recovery information is updated. This ensures you can recover your account if you ever lose access. Navigate to the Security section on your Google account page and review both your recovery email and phone number to make sure everything is current. Now, with your updated information saved and verified, you've successfully changed your Google account phone number. Regularly updating your contact details is a good practice and helps keep your account secure. If you ever encounter issues or need further assistance, you can explore Google's support resources for more guidance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips that make your digital life just a bit easier.